Verissimo Auto-Correct allows you to easily fix the failures reported during linting. To enable Auto-Correct, create a new lint configuration and check Enable Automatic Fixing of Failures box. Use the filter Hide Non-Auto-Fixable Checks to see only the checks that have autocorrect capabilities. To fix all the failures of a check, right-click on it and choose Fix Failures for Check. Preview the changes that are about to be performed in the source code. After the changes are applied, the check is rerun automatically. For specific checks, you may have to provide additional information for fixing the failures. Errors might occur during auto-fixing. In this case, you can choose what action should be taken for each error. If no option is selected, the failure will be skipped. If you want to fix only a few failures, select them in the Failures table, then right-click and choose Fix Failures. You can also fix failures from the source code editor. Press Ctrl 1 on the failure line and select Fix Failure.